should use when it's added to the home screen, background color, which will actually show off in just a sec. Again, many of these are sort of self-explanatory. One that I do want to highlight is the start URL down here. So what the start URL does is it tells your application what URL to boot to when it's open from the home screen. And as a signal to your app that it's being loaded from the home screen, you can do this kind of clever little trick where you put a query string on the end of your root URL and say, oh yeah, home screen 1. And that way your application JavaScript, if it sees that, it knows that maybe it should behave a little different because it's in home screen mode or something like that, right? It could choose to show something different to the user. So that's just a little pro tip. If you're launching something from a home screen, you want to have a slightly different experience there, that's one way you could do it with that signal. So when you're happy with your manifest file, including it in your application is pretty straightforward. You have a link tag with rel manifest, and you point it at your manifest JSON. But there are browsers out there which actually don't support web app manifest yet. And for those browsers, you need to include some fallback meta tags. And those look like this. And I'm sure you're looking at all these, and you're like, but I don't want to remember any of that. And yeah, it's kind of annoying to have to remember all these things and copy and paste them. And so I gave a little plug to our Polymer Starter Kit project earlier, and I'll give it another one here. If you go check out Polymer Starter Kit, which is you can just Google Polymer Starter Kit or go to developers.google.com/web/tools. Polymer Starter Kit includes already a working web app manifest. It includes all those meta tags for you. It includes all the different icons that you need at all the right sizes. And all you have to do is take that and start adding your own content. So if you're lazy like me, you don't remember all that stuff, you can just go there and do that. Now, once you got that squared away, it kind of brings up this other interesting question, which is figuring out if the thing is even working. Because I mentioned there's this user engagement heuristic to web app install banners, right? The user's got to